This meat can cost more than gold, and it melts in your mouth. Today, we're traveling to Japan, through food, to discover one of the most luxurious and exclusive meats in the world, Wagyu beef. But Wagyu is not just expensive. It's an experience shaped by years of care, precision, and tradition. The word Wagyu literally means Japanese cow, but these are not ordinary cattle. They are raised under strict conditions with a focus on quality that goes far beyond standard farming. What makes Wagyu truly special is its intense marbling, fine, evenly distributed layers of fat within the meat. This marbling gives Wagyu its signature texture, incredibly tender, rich, and almost buttery. In fact, the fat in Wagyu melts at a much lower temperature than regular beef, which is why it seems to dissolve in your mouth. But achieving this level of quality takes time and dedication. Wagyu cattle are often raised for longer periods than typical cows, fed carefully selected diets, including high-quality grains and nutrients to develop that perfect marbling. Farmers pay close attention to every detail, from the animal's health to its environment, because even small factors can affect the final quality of the meat. In Japan, there is a deep respect for craftsmanship, and Wagyu is a perfect example of that philosophy. Every step, from raising the cattle to preparing the meat, is treated as an art. When it comes to cooking Wagyu, less is more. The meat is usually sliced thin and cooked quickly over high heat, just enough to enhance its natural flavor without overpowering it. No heavy sauces, no complex spices, just a little salt and careful technique. Because the goal is simple, to let the quality speak for itself. The experience of eating Wagyu is unlike any other. The texture is soft, almost creamy. The flavor is rich, yet balanced, and every bite feels carefully crafted. But Wagyu is more than just luxury food. It represents patience, discipline, and a deep commitment to excellence. From exclusive restaurants in Japan to fine dining experiences around the world, Wagyu has become a global symbol of premium cuisine. So tell me, would you try the most luxurious beef in the world? Or is it something you'd only admire from a distance? And where should we travel next? Through food. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the world, one dish at a time.